The Easy 8 was an improved version of America's standard Sherman, and it carried a high-velocity 76mm gun, enough to give it real teeth against German armor in 1944 and 45. Worth noting, you will see they are running this in their button-up style, truly representing what it would be looking like in battle, which also means it is much hotter for them. The crews of the Easy 8 appreciated its sloped armor, better protection, and the roomy turret. But what really made the Sherman stand out wasn't that it was the biggest or toughest tank. It was that it was everywhere. Over 49,000 Shermans of all types were built, more than enough to overwhelm German production. As you watch this one maneuver, imagine dozens moving together across the fields of Normandy or to the forests of the Ardennes. Early in the war, Shermans earned a reputation for vulnerability, but Easy 8, like this one, restored confidence by combining firepower, reliability, The show for the Easy 8 is not over. As it maneuvers around its second lap, planes when it passes by you, let them know how appreciated they are by a big round of applause. Loud and cheerful. We are grateful to have the team here for the Easy 8 as they make an approach to their firing position. Yes, Mr. Right. The Easy 8 will be demonstrating their firepower when they move up the We will next see a demonstration of the high-velocity 76mm. all the demonstrations, they come out and they do this for us. Each year, we're very pleased that they're able to do this and demonstrate the power of the armored